The Appalachian Mysteries, True Encounters in the Mountains. Hikers vanish inexplicably as compasses spin wildly, locals whisper of strange lights. Bolts flash from clear sky, leaving hikers terrified, reports of unseen forces abound. Cabin appears and disappears overnight, locals claim it's haunted, hikers report missing gear. Unidentifiable sounds echo, glowing orbs vanish when approached, adding to local legends. Compasses fail as unseen forces interfere, shadow figures reported. Fog descends suddenly, hikers lose orientation, whispers guide them. Shadows move independently, voices heard, but no one seen. Time seems to skip, hours pass in minutes, compasses wobble. Trail disappears behind them, some reappear days later with memory loss. Shadows move independently, voices heard but no one seen. Hikers vanish, belongings remain, locals call it a time pocket. Voices carried on the wind speak in unknown language, hikers feel watched. Temperature plummets abruptly, locals warn of unexplained chills. Footprints vanish mid-path, hikers feel unseen presence. Bridge disappears, locals confirm strange phenomena. Eyes appear and vanish, hikers freeze in fear. Animals stand still, then scatter suddenly, locals call it forest paralysis. Rain descends in seconds, hikers recount strange timing. Steps repeat but no one is behind, phantom travelers reported. Hikers retrace steps but markers changed, vanishings nearby. Lanterns flicker without wind, unexplained sounds echo within. Path disappears behind them, hikers panic as visibility drops. Voices whisper unintelligible phrases, hikers feel unseen presence. Figures vanish when approached, hikers whisper warnings. Wildlife freezes, then disappears suddenly, locals call it forest paralysis. Lightning strikes from clear sky, hikers feel supernatural presence. Footprints vanish mid-path, hikers feel watched. Footsteps echo independently, hikers report phantom travelers. Hikers retrace steps but markers changed, vanishings nearby. Cabin appears and disappears overnight, hikers report missing gear. A tree struck without storm, one hiker narrowly survives, locals report random strikes. Lights hover and vanish abruptly, witnesses recount sightings over decades. Compasses fail repeatedly, several hikers report disorientation. Hours pass in minutes, local legends confirm temporal anomalies. Hiker disappears without trace, searchers report nothing found. Cabin appears and vanishes at random intervals, locals warn of missing gear. Voices whisper unintelligible phrases, hikers feel watched. Footbridge disappears when approached, locals confirm strange events. Animals freeze suddenly, then flee, locals call this forest paralysis. Eyes follow hikers' movements, vanish when illuminated, locals report similar sightings. Geraldine, inchworm, Largay, 66, vanished after leaving the trail, found 2 years later. Hiker appears and vanishes without explanation. Other hikers report similar encounters. Glowing lights hover and vanish abruptly, hikers report sightings in the area. Cabin appears and disappears at random intervals, hikers report missing gear. Footbridge disappears when approached, locals confirm strange events. A surveyor stands soaked under the rusted tower's blinking red light. He reads coordinates scrolling as the verified signal holds steady. He notes duration as lightning forks, the tower humming faintly. Wind lashes the clearing, he braces as the signal cuts cleanly. He records the exact end time, rain drumming as thunder rolls away. Hikers witness doors slamming, locals report disappearances inside the cabin. Unexplained lights hover over village, residents whisper about ghostly sightings. Livestock disappear overnight, farmers report strange footprints. Fog descends unexpectedly, locals report hours passing in minutes. Guests vanish mysteriously, whispers of previous travelers linger. Bridge collapses unexpectedly. Villagers report similar accidents. Figure appears and vanishes, locals claim ghost sightings. Smoke seen where no one lives, neighbors recall strange noises. Footprints vanish mid-step, residents report missing people. Tower signals observed, locals remember mysterious transmissions. Windows light up mysteriously, villagers report hearing voices inside. Roof collapses without warning, residents narrowly escape. Animals vanish overnight, farmers report strange tracks. Unexplained sounds scare villagers, previous incidents reported. Mill shakes violently, hikers brace as planks splinter. Figure appears then vanishes, residents claim ghost sightings. Fog descends suddenly, travelers report lost time and missing items. Fence collapses mysteriously, locals recall prior strange events. Lanterns vanish when approached, villagers recall missing people sightings. Tools move on their own, metallic humming sound fills the air. Time appears to stop completely for 42 seconds. The road dissolves like smoke, visibility returns moments later. Locals say the lake has burned before without fuel or cause. Shadows move toward them, then vanish into the ground. The sap smells metallic, tree grows warmer to the touch. Voices repeat names of the crew, then fade away. Lights vanish when touched, leaving a faint ozone smell. The reflection smiles independently before fading. Ground stops suddenly, air goes completely silent. Mill walls crumble as explorers edge closer, remnants of past accidents clearly visible. Villagers report floating lights, explorers see them hovering near gravestones. Barn roof gives way, explorers narrowly escape debris. Shadows move against the light, local rumors of ghostly figures confirmed. Water tank ruptures unexpectedly, factory records show similar past accidents. Mine entrance threatens to collapse, miners' historical records tell of past fatalities. Lights flicker mysteriously, locals recount eerie occurrences. Road swallows path, villagers recount similar past collapses. Smoke emerges from unused chimney, explorers note previous mysterious fires. Piano plays alone, historical accounts describe similar events decades ago. Mine floods unexpectedly, miners' journals describe past fatalities. Witnesses report ghostly figure, historical accounts confirm unexplained sightings. Roof collapses mid-storm, locals recount similar near misses. Floorboards fail unexpectedly, past inspection reports warn of instability. Trail buried, past hikers report near misses. Furnace erupts without warning, previous accident logs recorded injuries. Bridge collapses mid-crossing, local archives report repeated incidents. Road gives way, past travelers report sudden collapses after heavy rains. Cabin burns, locals report unexplained fires in area. Mountain path crumbles underfoot, hikers narrowly escape falling rocks, locals confirm similar incidents. Team navigates collapsing factory, dodging falling beams and debris, tension high. Tower collapses suddenly, locals report near misses with debris. Fire spreads rapidly, historical reports confirm similar incidents. Lightning strike, farm journals confirm near misses and injuries. Landslide cuts road, historical travelers report trapped hikers. Mill floods, past records describe near drownings. Roof catches fire suddenly, locals recall previous unexplained incidents. Blizzard traps hikers outside cabin, locals recall hikers lost for hours, nearly frozen. Chimney falls, local historical reports confirm injuries. Flash flood sweeps through, local newspapers confirm past incidents. Mine shaft collapses, team narrowly escapes falling rocks. Sudden flash flood, villagers struggle for safety. Lightning hits tower, nearby villagers panic. Road collapses under rain, travelers halt in fear. Cabin ignites, hikers flee panic-stricken. Avalanche hits ski slope, people escape chaos. Train leaves tracks, chaos erupts. Bridge breaks, people cling to safety. Explosion rocks chemical plant, workers barely survive. Hut collapses in snow, terrified people flee. Objects move violently on their own, witnesses flee in horror. Strange noises echo inside, villagers report whispers from empty halls. Bridge collapses under weight, hikers scramble to safety. Windmill ignites briefly, locals panic and scatter. Snowstorm traps villagers, roof creaks ominously. Road collapses, villagers retreat to safety. Unexplained lights hover, animals flee. Villagers bewildered. Shaft collapses partially, witnesses barely escape. Ice fractures, villagers retreat to shore. Doors slam on their own, unseen presence sensed. Avalanche descends, villagers barely escape path. Tree crashes near group, witnesses scramble. Fog hides paths, villagers lose sense of direction. Ghostly lights hover over graves, villagers retreat in fright. Strange noises echo from empty halls, locals whisper of apparitions. Ghostly lights flicker inside, locals sense an unseen presence,